To connect from Windows to Mac computer using VNC, go to System Settings, find Sharing option, screen sharing needs to be enabled, and any of the remote thingies over here needs to be disabled. Click on Screen Sharing to set it up. Click these two options, anyone may request permission and VNC viewers may control screen with password and enter your password. Watch out for this option. By default, you will only see it enabled for only these users. Change it to all users. And finally, you will see the IP address to which you need to connect to from Windows. You will also need a port, and that is usually 5900. You can find exactly which port by grabbing RFB in etc services, and by default it will always be 5900. RFB stands for Remote Frame Buffer Protocol, and it is the protocol VNC servers use. On Windows, install TightVNC client. It is free and it is open source, and remote host will be the IP address you saw in Mac screen sharing and then the port that the screen sharing took. In options, I haven't set anything, I don't remember setting anything special, and when you connect, it will ask you for the password that you set in macOS, and I'm in.